All right there, folks. We are checking out this tree that snapped in my front yard. Hey there, guys. It's me, Joel. Skyfly with you here once again with my buddy Mike again. We're going to clean this tree up. More storm damage from winter winds. So, Mike's here, and we're going to start hammering away, get this all cleaned up, get this out of my front yard. So. All right there, guys. We got her pretty much cleaned up for the time being. Got it out of my apple tree, which is pretty mutilated from that pine tree, but we got her done, pretty much cleaned up. Just the rest of that's got to be hauled off to the woods, which is down beyond yonder. We've got a big pile of it going, so we'll get the rest of that hauled off and we'll be done. Hey, thanks for watching, guys, and leave me a thumbs up, comment, tell me what you think, and we'll see you on the next one. Take care.